What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the free guy. Let's begin in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. We start on the top left. Just going to work our way down towards the bottom of the eye. And pull that back up towards the top. Now let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So we're going to line up the top of that circle. Come down towards the same height. And then back up towards the top. Now we're going to add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So starting on the left, we draw that circle coming in, and then back out. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll fill the bottom area of the eyes in black. Let's line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw the nose. We're going to start on the left, curve the nose, coming down and back up. Now we're going to move up and draw a short curve, going up and down for the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw in the mouth. We're going to start back over on the left, curve the mouth coming down and then up. Now on the ends we're going to step in, draw another curve, coming down towards the bottom, back up. And then we'll add a small bracket on the corners of the mouth. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a short curve to the lower lip. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out. We're going to draw a large half circle. We'll bring this down and in, just underneath the mouth. Go across and then pull that up on the right side toward the same height. Now you want to pull the hairline coming back in along the side. Let's start back on the left, go up and in. And then on the left side, go up and in. Now let's brush the hair going out towards the right. Starting from this point, curve this in and then down. Taper that back up. Let's add another point. We're going to come down a little bit further in the middle. Go out, up, and then back across. Now we're going to layer the hair going back across towards the right. So we're going to step up, put this across, and then down. Go out, and then in. Now we're going to step up, go out, and then up. Let's go about halfway, go out, and then down, go out, and then in. And then we'll tuck the hairline in behind the right side. Let's add in the eyebrows. We start directly above the left eye, go up and in. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm just going to thicken up the eyebrows. On the outside, go up in the middle, and back down. Do the same thing on the right side. And then we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Let's add in the side of the hair. Starting from the left side, go out and then pull that up. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now we tuck the ears in behind the hair. Starting over on the left, go out, bend the ear, coming down and then in. Now we're going to add some folds inside the ear. Starting on the left, curve up and out. Go back to the inside, hook out, and then in. Now we're going to move out and draw the outside edge of the hair. Starting on top of the left ear, start by going straight up, and then we'll bend that in, step out, go up, and in. And then we'll brush the top of the hair over towards the right. Starting from this point, go up and in. I'm just going to taper this down with a small line, go up towards the top of the head, and then bend this back down. Let's layer the hair along the side, stepping up, go out, and then down, step back up, just going to curve this out and down on top of the right ear. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw that large chain. Start over on the left side, curve this down, and then bend that back up on the right. And then we'll draw the inside of the chain. Stepping in, just follow that same curve going all the way across. Now you want to give our character a large chest. So we're going to start back over on the left, curve the chest coming down, around. Now I'm just going to pull that up a little in the middle, and we'll take that curve and flip it over on the right. Coming down, out, and then up. Let's go back to the center of the chest, draw a straight line going up underneath the chain, draw a short line going up towards the chin. And now add that small shirt tattoo on the right side. Start with a straight line going across the top, come down and in towards the middle. Let's go back up to the top, and go down and out towards the side. Flatten off the sleeves. Pull that up and in with a short line. And we'll work our way down towards the bottom. Coming down with two straight lines. Close off the bottom with a straight line. And then we'll add 3 small dots along the center. Now we're going to go back up to this bottom point and go down and out towards the left and right. Go up and out towards the top. Now from here we're going to draw the biceps coming around in towards the forearm. Let's start from the side of the chest, go down and then out, line this up on the right, coming down and out. And then from the bottom of the bicep, curve the arm coming down and in with a short line towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb. At the end, we'll add a small bracket. Let's add in 3 fingers, starting from the inside of the thumb, curve around that bracket, and then go up. Let's add 2 more fingers, starting from the bottom, go down and up. Now the 3rd finger, come down, out. I'm just going to pull that up towards the elbow. And then from the elbow, let's bend the arm going up and in to right about there. And it will overlap the shoulder. From this point, step down, curve the shoulder going up, and bending that in behind the head. Let's add in the bracelets. Start from the top of the thumb, curve out and down, step up, draw that twice. Now right where the chest meets the bicep, we're going to step out, curve the back, coming down and in, and then draw 2 straight lines coming down towards the hip. Let's connect the hips with a curve, down and then up. Let's go back over towards the left hip, step up and draw that same curve going across. I'm going to add some stomach muscles in the middle, starting underneath the chest in the center, curve down and out, go back to the middle, step down, come down and out towards the right. Let's do that one more time. Coming down and out, and then towards the right. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Now we're going to leave a small gap in between the legs, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the same height. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up. I'm going to go back to the side and draw on the top of the foot. I'm going to curve this up, bend this down on the inside, and we'll curl that back up on the inside of the leg. Let's go back up to the hips and draw on the outside of the leg. Starting on the left, curve this out and then down on top of the foot. Now we're going to add some detail to the legs and the feet. Let's start by adding a thick sole along the bottom of the shoe. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and then just trace that across on both sides. From the outside of the foot, let's step up, Curve in and then down. Go to the top of the foot and draw that same curve, move down towards the sole. Let's go back to the top of the foot, step up, and draw the bottom of the pant. Move down, and then up, and then line this up on the right side. Now we're going to add 2 zipper pockets on the side of the leg. Let's start from the left, angle up and in, line this up on the right. And we'll flatten off the inside with a short line, flatten off the outside, and then we'll connect the bottom with another angled line on the left and right. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of the free guy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.